Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a shape, remove the background, select the erase color, and then select the import button, go to the gallery, select other photo, remove the background, adjust the photo, save the photo and shape, adjust the save confirmation, select the erase color, to back the color red, enable button on, adjust the shape, and then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another shape, move the background, select the erase color, to back the shape, select the shape, change the color, adjust the color, select the opacity, effect shadow, enable button on, change the background color, select the color option, adjust the color, copy the photo, adjust the photo. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.